Many facilities today face the dual challenge of aging infrastructure and a growing skills gap. As seasoned experts retire, newer technicians are left managing outdated systems, often with legacy software that's slow, limited, or no longer supported. Instrumentation configuration software helps bridge that gap, offering modern tools to connect, configure, and maintain field devices more effectively. In this video, we'll show you how to get started, streamline your workflow, and bring your operations up to speed with ABB's Field Information Manager. Once you navigate to the website, scroll down to the software section and download both the configuration software and additional driver package. For this tutorial, we'll only be installing the standalone configuration package. Be sure to check all the server connection boxes for maximum compatibility with your USB modem. It's recommended to install FIM before modem drivers, as there may be issues with FIM detecting that driver had it already been installed. Once you've opened up your first instance of FIM, check the 3 communication server types. The remaining ones would require an IP address which isn't supported for the unlicensed version. There will be a dialog box that appears showing that this device is an unlicensed free version of FIM. Choose the Use Device Windows Edition selection to make this disappear. Now click on the hamburger menu and navigate to the device catalog. This is the library for all of the device drivers that FIM supports. Then find your unzipped file of additional driver packages and drag and drop them into the library. They will populate it with the latest FDIX file types. FIM supports both FDIX and EDD file types for smart devices. At this point, FIM is done being installed. If you're using an ABB HART communicator or Thorsis brand, the drivers come pre-installed with FIM. If not, you can now install drivers for your brand of USB HART modems. Note that for legacy Viator brand HART modems, Windows 11 does not support them, so they cannot be used with FIM. Now wire up your devices and plug in the USB. FIM will automatically search through the library and populate the topology page with the connected devices. If a specific driver does not exist in the library, FIM will assign it a generic driver. If a specific driver does exist, you can locate it using the FieldCom website. There's a direct link for this found within the library. Once the driver is unzipped, you can drag and drop it into the library just like the ABB drivers. Now that the new drivers are installed, you can replace the driver packages from generic to specific. Note that for the free version of FIM, a dialog box will appear approximately every 10 minutes with a 10-second countdown. After the countdown is complete, click OK to resume your work. If you have additional questions, contact ABB by searching My Measurement Assistant and navigating to Support. ABB, engineered to outrun.